coats because it did dip below 30 degrees and I want them to stay nice and cozy and warm. Look how cute they are. Here is Zip. He is like a big puppy dog. He's one of the laziest horses you'll ever meet. And here's him rolling around. I think they do this because it feels good. Don't quote me. You'll have to look it up for yourself. This is Cash in the purple. He's my only Arabian horse. The rest of my horses are quarter horses. And here is Score. He came from the kill pen as well. He has Cushing, so he's very skinny, but he's on medication, so he's doing better. That's Mr. rolling around. Here are what the stalls look like after one night.